In the heart of this thriving rainforest, where the air is thick with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of rustling leaves, an extraordinary spectacle awaits. Among the ancient trees and vibrant foliage, a new marvel has taken flight, the AI bird. Behold the luminous beauty of these creatures. Their feathers, a breathtaking display of neon colors, glow with an otherworldly radiance. Each hue, from electric blues to vibrant greens and fiery reds, shimmers in the dappled sunlight, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and color. These AI birds, products of ingenious design, have seamlessly integrated into this natural habitat. Their radiant plumage not only dazzles the eye, but also complements the rich tapestry of the rainforest. As they flutter from branch to branch, their presence adds a new layer of wonder to this already enchanting environment. In this delicate balance of nature and technology, we witness a vision of harmony, a testament to the boundless creativity of both evolution and human ingenuity. Here in the depths of the rainforest, the AI bird stands as a symbol of the beauty that can emerge when the worlds of nature and innovation intertwine.